Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of the Heriot Way. From the peaceful village of Hardraw, we head up, and still up, tackling the mighty Great Shunner Fell. It's the third highest in the Dales, because of course we wouldn't want to take it easy, would we? The wind had opinions, the clouds had attitude, and the hobbits, well, we just kept on climbing. Over the top and across the wild beauty of Kisdon Hill, we finally drop into Keld, a village so quiet that even the sheep whisper, a day of great laughs and legs that now speak fluent complaint.
So this is where we stayed last night. The room was fantastic. The food was okay, but for the money everything was great. It's just a shame. Cold showers this morning, which was a bit of a shame, and 1 or 2 people complaining about that. But it was very, very comfortable, very clean and tidy, which is what you want. So would I recommend it? Yes. Would I stay again? Absolutely. So now we're heading off towards Hawes and then up Shunner Fell. So just leaving Hardraw. There's your river. Oh, very beautiful. Shame about the tyre in there. The campsite up there, which we were going to use, but due to my shoulder, I thought it'd be better in a comfy bed. Although the river would have been as warm as the showers, but not to worry. So yes, another beautiful morning, and I think Mrs. B's well up for this. Yes?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So after much debating, we've decided to be a little bit naughty and cut a corner off. We've been to Hawes 1,001 times. So we've come out of Hardraw and we're straight onto the Pennine Way on his way up Shunner Fell. We didn't need anything from Hawes. Perhaps it's cheating, I don't know, but we're making it our walk. And best thing we ever did, because we're straight into a great big climb. But we'll enjoy it. So get back to you in a bit. So what a beautiful morning, climbing up out of Hawes, and Shunner Fell awaits. I've got to say my breakfast was lovely, but by heck it's sitting heavy. Just met a lovely couple in front there doing the Pennine Way, so good luck to them. On the way to Tan Hill, and we're on his way to Keld. So get back to you soon. Slowly but surely making his way up Shunner Fell. And it's another beautiful day. It's getting very warm. I was concerned about it being a bit blustery on top, but I'm going to be honest, I think it'll be fine, which will please Mrs. B, because she'll be able to have a go with the drone. So yes, beautiful, but still a long way to go, but we're loving it. Still puffing his way up Shunner Fell, but it is absolutely beautiful. We've even got some company. Beep. And there she walks like a professional up the hill. Maybe. Absolutely wonderful. We're getting a little bit further, nice and steady away. This is B flying a drone. Next stop, top of Shunner Fell. Going great guns.
As we climb Great Shunner Fell, we're not just walking up a hill, we're stepping into one of the most iconic stretches of the Heriot Way. At 716 metres, this is the highest point of the entire trail, and trust us, your legs know about it. The landscape gets wider with every step, the wind picks up and the views begin to stretch for miles in every direction. This fell links Wensleydale to Swaledale, two of the main areas where James Herriot, the beloved country vet, lived and worked. While he might not have scrambled over this exact summit, books, the surrounding farms, villages and winding roads were his daily beat. In both the classic and the new All Creatures Great and Small, you can see pictures of him driving through this landscape, coat flapping, car struggling, probably on his way to deliver a calf in the middle of a snowstorm. But not for us today. The dales are showing off, sunshine, blue skies and a tailwind that felt like Gandalf gave us a quick nudge. This stretch over Great Shunner Fell isn't just the high point of the Heriot Way, it's where the spirit of the trail really shines, quite literally, as we hobbits marched upwards under the blue skies. Yes, actual sunshine in the dales, who'd believe it. We walked in the footsteps of James Herriot, only with fewer sheep and considerably less urgency.
And still climbing. It's a bit of a slog, not overly hard, but very, very long. Very long. And every time you think you've got to the top, there's another bloody hill. But we're enjoying it. It's very warm. But other than that, perfect. Isn't it? So onward and upwards. Hopefully next stop will be up at the top. Keep saying that, but I keep thinking we're there. See you in a bit. So bizarrely, we keep coming to these flag sections, which are for erosion and obviously for where the peat and the bogs are. And I thought I'd have hated them, but they're actually really nice to give your legs a bit of a break. It's sort of easy underfoot. So yeah, we're getting near the top now, but Shunner Fell, long. Not necessarily steep, but it's a fair old slog. It's just long, continuously uphill. But love the flags and thumbs up to National Trust and the guys who get them airlifted up here and the lads who fit them. That's off to you. Anyway, let's keep going. And here we are. We've finally made it. This is me going to touch the trig. Yay! We're at the top. And wow, this is fantastic. I wouldn't say it's the hardest climb in the world, but it's a long, long slog. Just short 5 miles of constant uphill. 4.8 miles, I've just been informed. Let's come round this side. Just everywhere you look is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is Bee's deciding where she's sitting. She's looking for the comfy sofa because she wants to get her head down for the nap. You've decided which one you're going in? You're going to have to be quick. Motorway traffic's coming, there's a coach load coming. You're sitting in there, and there we go. So, fabulous, loved it so far, yet again. So here we go down Windy Pass. I won't tell you why we're calling you that, but Mrs. Baggins laughed. Absolutely lovely. So coming down to the other side from Shunner Fell. Rachel's back up there. Absolutely fabulous. It's brilliant. So we've come down from Shunner Fell, or we're coming down. So just like it's quite a long slog going up with amazing views, it's a long old slog coming down and all, surprisingly. not overly steep, not overly difficult, just long. What is this? B. There's Thwaite. I don't know if you'll pick it up on camera. That's where we're heading for a half a pint of shandy and some more water. And then it's over Kisdon Hill. Hill. So Keld. We're loving it, but poor Mrs. B's foot's hurting now. She's come out in sympathy with me. Can't have hold to myself. But other than that, we're doing amazing. Aren't we, Mrs? Give the camera a big smile. Show them how you can lie. Is your foot hurting? Nope, are you lying? And what did you say when I said we could get a bus? No. Don't swear.
Not on your Nelly.
So we're just climbing up out of Thwaite, making us way up Kisdon Hill and over to Keld. And it's a pull, to say the least. But you can do anything when you've got these views. Just slow and steady. We're nearly at top now. And we're looking forward to a pint. We've earned it today.
We're looking forward to more than a pint.
Don't you think we've earned a pint today?
Or two.
Or three? No, because I'll be drunk then.
Just two.
Just two?
Hobbits can't drink no more than two.
Okie dokie, but what is it we drink? We smoke Toby weed, what do hobbits drink? Gin?
Ale.
Ale, yeah, I'll have a jug of ale. So there. It really is hard to think that somewhere as beautiful as this can have such a bastard hill as this. Right at the end of the day. Been here before when we did Keld to Mooka down there, and we went back on the other side of Kisdon Hill, which I've got to say were absolutely horrible. They're boulder rocks, weren't they, on path? So we're hoping this way. Right, so we've come over Kisdon Hill. We're making us way down the other side. Yippee! It's been a hard day. It's been one of the best days ever. It's been hard. Just working his way now down to the side of Kisdon Hill to Keld. And I need a pint. And I need a shower. And I need a shaggy carpet in my bedroom, all being well. Because it'd be nice on my feet. What do you say? Do you fancy a shaggy carpet on your feet? Your feet sore? So a shaggy carpet would be nice for you, wouldn't it?
On my feet?
Yeah, a shower, a drink and a shaggy carpet. Right, on that note, we're tired, you can tell. I'm going. Bye.
After a full day on the trail, we finally arrive at Keld Lodge. A welcome sight after conquering not one, but two of the day's biggest challenges. First, Great Shunner Fell, standing at 2,349 feet, the highest point of the entire Heriot Way. Then the long crossing of Kisdon Hill, reaching around 1,800 feet, with its wide open moorland and endless views. In total, we've climbed over 2,300 feet today. That's a fair bit of up for a couple of wandering hobbits. But with every step, the landscape paid us back, from dramatic ridgelines to peaceful winding paths that felt like they belonged in a storybook. Now, the boots are off, the legs are tired, and thoughts are drifting towards food, rest, and maybe a well-earned pint or two. Day 2 done, and the journey continues tomorrow.